Good evening, everybody. I'm here with the world famous chef Robert.
And today we're going to make a French delicacy called pâté épicé au thon et au fromage.
Fancy.
The ingredients that we're going to need are imported seafood, tools, strainer, small pot, a can of Bush's original baked beans, and some spicy fish. So we're going to start with a safety tip to all my visitors and fans. Stop trying to light your cooktop with a Vic lighter. Either replace the electronic power ignition or get a decent lighter. Okay, so now we're going to make this water boil, which gives us some time. And with that time, we are going to prepare the seafood. Carefully, but we're going to see how fast we can do this.
Oh, man.
We already know it's cheap. Drain the tuna as best you can. I know it's
And remember, save the dolphins.
And remember that we're not making soup, okay? Even though some people are used to this as being soup. Yeah, we got the tuna ready. Okay, so we started at 10, we got 9, 12.
We got one more minute.
Okay, one more minute. Alexa, how much more time? One more minute. And we're coming up to, as soon as that clicks on 9:14, we'll take the next step. And this is a meal, it will fill you up. I don't know if any notifications will show up on the video, I doubt it.
No.
There it is. Clicked on 9:14. We're going to turn off the cooktop. Make sure you do that correctly. Safety first. Okay, we're going to take the bowl of pasta, and this is very important. Again, we're not making soup, so you want to drain all the water. While we're waiting that to drain, rinse that off hot and make that clean up later easier. Let that drip. And then here we go. Put that in there like that. And of course, everything under the rice is going to be